Every morning in Japan, people clean. Not for money, not for praise, but because cleanliness is character. In the West, we clean when things are dirty. In Japan, we clean to prevent dirt from ever existing. It's called Osoji, dasoji, the great cleaning, a ritual that transforms not just homes, but hearts. Because when you polish your world, you polish your soul. At the end of every year, Japan stops everything to clean. Homes, offices, temples, even factories pause production. It's not about hygiene, it's about renewal. Dust is not just dust, it's yesterday's energy, and removing it clears the path for new beginnings. When you sweep the floor, you sweep the mind. In Japan, schools have no janitors, because cleaning is part of education. Every child wipes windows, sweeps hallways, and polishes the floor, not as punishment but as practice. They learn that no task is beneath them. That responsibility begins where ego ends, and that shared spaces deserve shared respect. They don't just grow smarter, they grow cleaner inside. Ever wonder why Japan feels calm the moment you arrive? Because order is everywhere. Even the air feels arranged. Osoji is invisible architecture. The streets are clean, but so are the habits. Cleanliness is not decoration, it's design. From train stations to toilets, the environment teaches discipline. You don't throw trash because there's nothing to throw. You don't break order because order keeps you. When your surroundings are pure, chaos can't enter your mind. In Zen monasteries, cleaning is not a task, it's a form of meditation. Monks begin each day sweeping paths, polishing bowls, dusting altars. Why? Because cleaning is the art of presence. You cannot think of your phone or your past while wiping a floor. You must be here, hand, cloth, breath, silence. When the surface shines, so does the spirit. In the West, cleaning often comes with shame. We hide our mess, then clean it in guilt or rush. But guilt creates chaos. Anger creates more mess. The Japanese never separate outer mess from inner mess. Both are part of the same disorder and the same cure. You can't fix the mind without touching the world around it. Even the people who clean professionally bow. Before they begin and after they finish, they bow not to the floor, but to the work, to the opportunity to serve. Because in Japan, cleaning isn't lowly. It's sacred. It's gratitude in motion. You don't clean because something's dirty. You clean because something deserves care. Neuroscience agrees. A messy environment increases stress hormones and decreases focus. A clean space boosts clarity, energy, and calm. The Japanese didn't need studies, they saw the truth centuries ago. Every object in order sends a message to the mind. You are safe, you are steady, you are ready. Clean space, clear thoughts. You can practice Osoji anywhere, even now. Step 1. Begin small. Start with one surface, a desk, a shelf, a single drawer. Clean it slowly, with intention. Step 2. Engage all senses. Feel the texture. Hear the sound of sweeping. Smell the air change. Step 3. Bow when done. Acknowledge the space and yourself for completing the act. Don't aim to finish fast. Aim to finish fully. Clean not to impress but to reset. After festivals, Japanese crowds pick up every piece of trash, even what isn't theirs. Why? Because Osoji doesn't stop at the door. Public space is shared soul. What you leave behind becomes what others live in. That's why Japan stays clean without punishment or policing. Because the people protect purity together. Clean hands, clean streets, clean hearts. Because, he says, cleaning isn't what I do after the work. It is the work. Repetition builds character. Maintenance builds mastery. The Japanese don't wait for mess to appear. They prevent it through presence. Discipline is not what you do when things fall apart. It's what keeps them from falling apart. Every December, before the new year, the Japanese perform Osoji, the great cleaning. It's not about the dust on the floor, it's about the dust of the year. They clean as a family. They release what no longer belongs. They welcome the new year with clean hands and open hearts. Because purity is power, and renewal is strength. To begin again, you must first let go. Now you know the secret. Osoji is not cleaning, it's awakening. When your world is in order, your mind becomes still. When your hands move with purpose, your heart finds peace. In Japan, they don't chase perfection. They maintain purity, and in that purity, they find power. I am Stick Sensei, and your training continues right now.